Hi boys and girls, today we are going to be using this page to identify double and single consonant words. Remember, a double consonant word is when you see two consonants together in the middle of the word. When that happens, the vowel in that word is a short vowel sound. For example, in the word starring, there are two R's in the middle, and I know that that is a double consonant word. That means the vowel has the short sound, starring. Now, over here in this word, I see that there is a single consonant. There is only one R. That means that the vowel, the A, makes the long sound, so staring. This page wants you to highlight the double consonant words and put an X on the single consonant words. So we're going to X out staring and highlight starring. Now down here, they want you to find all of your short vowel words and they want you to put them in A, B, C order. So look at the first letter of the word and put them in ABC order. Down below, it says choose one word from above and create a sentence for that word. Okay, boys and girls, if you are still a little confused or have some questions, go ahead and listen to the video one more time, and hopefully that will help. Have a great time.